Is there a consistent challenge as you are looking at these different phases in this rollout? Is there anything in particular that stands out?
So the biggest challenge once we start the implementation process has always been consistency in the register systems and the back office systems, store to store. If you're setting up an offer to discount your fuel grades, are your fuel grades the same at every location? If you're giving certain discounts on apartments, are they numbered the same at every location? That's especially important for us being an acquisition company. When we bring companies in, we have to make sure to bring them into what we're already doing to set them up right from the start. Or when you roll out your program, maybe fuel won't discount somewhere because it's set up different. And I think that's really common for our industry, is that there is not a lot of consistency from chain to chain for many different reasons. And I'd say like that was probably the hardest thing in most of my previous programs I've built, was making sure everything was consistent before we rolled it out. And even after we rolled it out, we continued to find places that things were numbered or named different in different stores.